Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to discuss about the design features of human language. These design features are proposed by American linguist Charles Hockett. He has given the 13 design features which help us to make the distinction between animal and human communication. So first design feature is Vocal-Auditory Channel. Through this feature, we understand that human beings are able to produce language through mouth and they hear through the ears. And this is the basic feature of human communication. Second feature that is given by Charles Hockett is broadcast transmission and directional reception. It states that our voice spreads around and listener can still knows the direction. And the third feature is rapid fading. In this feature we understand that whenever we speak, whenever we use any sentence, it quickly disappears. While the other feature is interchangeability. It states that in human communication, the role of participants can be changed. For example, I ask a question from you and you answer me. After that, you can ask a question from me and I would answer you. Means our roles completely changed. Other feature is total feedback. In human communication, there is a possibility whenever we speak, we hear our own speech. And also we are able to make the correction of our mistakes. So this is also feature that is given by Charles Hockett. Other feature is specialization. Through this feature we understand that the sounds that we use can not only be used for eating, drinking and breathing, but their purpose is only to communicate. Other feature is Arbitrariness. In human communication, there is no logical connection between words and their meanings. And Ferdinand de Saussure also states that language is composed of the signs and symbols. And signs have the two types, signifier and signified. But the relationship between the signifier and signified is Arbitrariness. So there is no logical connection between the word and its mental picture that come in our brain. Other feature is semanticity. In human communication, whatever we speak, whatever we use sentence, every word carry a particular meaning, and without meaning communication would not be possible. There is another feature given by Charles Hockett known as a discreteness. We know that a human language is made up of the similar sounds. But if we change one sound, meaning will be changed, such as words like pet and bet. These are different only because of the one sound. So this shows the discreteness in the human communication, in the human language. And this is the big difference between animal and human communication. However, other feature is displacement. Human beings have ability to talk about the present, to talk about the past, and he can also talk about the future. This kind of ability, aptitude, only human beings possess, not the animals. Other feature is productivity. It is also known as a creativity. Means human beings are so much creative. They can create a new sentence, new expression which are never heard before. And it is his aptitude. Only human beings possess. He can talk into active voice, he can also talk in the passive voice. So this is also a feature. Well, other is cultural transmission. We know that human beings, they bring up into the different cultures, so it is possibility that they can acquire the different languages, and they can learn the other language through the influence of culture. And this feature is known as a cultural transmission. Means language can be learned through the culture, through the influence of culture. Thank you so much.